Good morning, students. This is the fourth unit. Tenali paints horse. Tenali paints a horse. This is fourth unit. Look at the picture. Let's observe the picture. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follows. Let's observe his Krishna Devaraya, king of Vijayanagara Samrajya, and his poet Tenali Rama, and ministers here and soldiers. This is the kingdom of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Here some questions are given. Look at the title and guesses what you are going to read about. Look at the title and guesses what you are going to read about. Answer. The title read about Tenali paints a horse. Tenali paints a horse. I guesses that I am going to read about how well Tenali Rama was going to paint a horse. This title read about Tenali paints a horse. I guesses that I am going to read about how will Tenali Rama was going to paint a horse. Second question. Who do you think is a person with the turban? He is Krishna Devaraya, king of Vijayanagara kingdom. He is Krishna Devaraya, king of Vijayanagara kingdom. Third, can you name the person sitting on the throne? He is Krishna Devaraya, king of Vijayanagara. He is king of Krishna Devaraya. Same answer. Second, third, same. What do you think Tenali Rama will do in this story? What do you think Tenali Rama will do in this story? As for the title, I think Tenali Rama will make a painting of a horse, show it is to the king and say something about it. I will also prove his wit and wisdom. What do you think Tenali Rama will do in this story? As for the title, I think Tenali Rama will make a painting of a horse, show it to the king and say something about it. He will also prove his wit and wisdom. Can you say a story about Tenali Rama? I can tell the story of Tenali Rama and his cleverness. Tenali దొంగలకు తెలివిగా బుద్ధి చెప్పిన తెనాలి. I can tell the story of the title దొంగలకి తెలివిగా బుద్ధి చెప్పిన తెనాలి. This is the title. Tenali Rama and his cleverness. Krishna Devaraya was the king of Vijayanagara. One day, a magician from another country came to his court. He performed many tricks. All the courtiers wondered at his tricks. He challenged the courtiers out of pride. Tenali Rama was a poet and a jester at the court of Krishna Devaraya. He was witty and clever. He know what to do and how to defeat the magician. He came forward and told the magician that he would do something magical with the eyes closed. He asked the magician to do the same with the eyes open. The magician agreed. Tenali Rama closed his eyes. He proved sand and mud on his eyes. The magician was struck. He could not do it with his eyes open. He accepted his defeat. The king was highly pleased with Tenali Rama's wit. He rewarded his suitable. Here, wit means intelligence used in humorous way. Wit means an intelligence used in a humorous way. Jester means one who tells jokes and entertains others. Talented means skilled. Ignorant means not known. These are some of the meanings. Here this is the plate role. Here two scenes are there. This is a drama. Here some characters are. Let's observe the story. Tenali Rama was a poet and jester. In the court of Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara, he was famous his wit and intelligence. Wit means intelligence used in a humorous way. Jester, one who tells jokes and entertains others. That means jester. In the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara, he was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play proves an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions that follows. In this story, in this drama, some characters are necessary. Raja Krishnadevaraya, king of Vijayanagara. Tenali Rama, poet and jester in the court of Krishnadevaraya. First quatrain, second quatrain, third quatrain, fourth quatrain. This is the Tenali Rama paints a horse. This first scene starts. One day, scene 1. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. One day, one unknown person come to this court from other country. He shows one painting. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Rama, looked displeased. Then Raja, this is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village. See, since you are a very talented artist, hence is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these. Then artist says, Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. Then Tenali, I do not think they are such good paintings at all. Then Raj, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Tenali, for one thing, where is the other side of these two men? How can only say their one side for another? Where is the face of the cow? Raj, what an ignorant fool you are! Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. Tenali, I bet I can paint better than that paint. Well, I could if I had then paints. In this scene, Tenali Rama not agreed the greatness of the another artist. He bet with the king Vijayanagara. Then Tenali Vijayanagara Samraja king Sri Krishnadevaraya Vijayanagara Samraja Krishnadevaraya bet with Tenali. I bet a bag of gold that you cannot, I will give you the paints and the papers. May also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the ones we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title of King of Artists. Then Tenali says, I agree. After a month, I will show you a better paintings than that one. The coterie started smiling, thinking there he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Rama cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the jiggling coteries angrily and would out. Here, jiggly. Jiggling, laughing. Jiggling means laughing. Ignorant means not knowing. These are some of the meanings.